Hello, HI's community. I'm going to tell you how to do a writable PDF. I have a document here that is translation for Latin, and what I want to do is go to File, Save As, and I need to make it a PDF. So I'm going to hit PDF. I'm going to hit Export. It's going to go to my desktop. Okay, so there it is. I'm going to hit my Control button on the bottom left side of my keyboard, and I'm going to hit my mouse pad, and I'm going to hit Open With, and I'm going to hit Adobe Acrobat. Okay, there's something called Prepare Form. However, if you don't see Prepare Form, hit More Tools and look for something called Prepare Form, which would be here, but I already have it here. You don't necessarily, so I'm going to click that. And it does not require a signature, so I'm going to hit Start, and it's done. So I'm going to hit Preview, and my Latin people can type the English translations of this. I'm going to close it, and I'm going to hit File, Save As. I'm going to hit Desktop, and I'm going to just write WRPDF and save it. And that's going to go to my desktop. It's going to pop in a second. There it is. And that's it. Writable PDF for worksheets. You're welcome.